Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mia Audina Musyadat. I'm a graduate student Mathematics Education from UPI, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I will present my research result. The title is Error Type Analyzed Based on Newman's Theory in Solving Mathematical Communication Ability Question of Junior High School Student on the Material of Polyhedron. Mathematics is a subject that is studied from elementary school to university level. Mathematics is also a lesson that can build the character of student. Therefore, mathematics has a very important role for life. The National Council of Teachers of Mathematics (NCTM) sets standards of mathematical abilities such as problem solving, reasoning and proof, communication, connection, and representation should be able to be owned by students. One of the most important abilities students have is mathematical communication ability. Mathematical communication is a way for students to express and interpret mathematical ideas verbally and demonstrate. Mathematical has various characteristics, and one of them has an abstract object. It is trait that causes many students to experience difficult is in mathematics. Difficult experience by student is a probably error occur when student answer question. Mathematics is a one of the subject that can have a great opportunity for students to make mistake. Error can be considered as deficiencies from the occurred things which are orderly, reliable, and related in certain area. The character of below the average value. The character of the problem experienced by student. One, show lower learning outcome I below the average value. Two, the results achieved are not balanced with the effort done. Three, show slow in carrying out learning tests. Four, slow inappropriate attitude. Five, show misbehave. And six, show emotional symptoms that are not reasonable. One of the material in mathematics that requires students to have mathematical abilities in the material about building polyhedron in the material of polyhedron. Students are required to understand what is as in the problem, understanding the problem, and then communicate the answer in mathematical form. The stage of error analysis that are approached and then can be done in the form of mathematical communication problem are the step of error analysis according to Newman or in NEA. NEA stands for Newman's error analysis. NEA is designed as a simple diagnosis procedure in solving mathematical communication description problem. Newman stated that if student want to solve math problems, then student must go through 5 steps, namely as student to 1 reading, 2 comprehending, 3 transformation, 4 process ability, and 5 encoding. The results show there were still quite a lot of class 9 students of Junior High School 1 Banyu Biru who made mistake in solving story equation on the material system of two variable linear equation. The same thing is also suspect to have happened to student of class 8 and at one of the public high school in the city of Bandung in solving question about building polyhedron. Therefore, researchers conduct their research with the aim of analyzing student error in working on mathematical communication ability on polyhedron using the Newman errors category. experimental method. This study used a qualitative approach. This study used a case study method relating to the mistake of the student of class 8 of a public junior high school in Bandung in solving mathematical communication ability on the material to build polyhedron based on Newman's theory. The selection of research subject is done by using purposive sampling technique, meaning that the subject to be studied are selected based on the researcher considered according to the research goal. The instrument used in this study was a test in the form of description arranged in according with indicator of mathematical communication ability in the material of polyhedron as much as four items. Mathematical diagram, mathematical communication indicator into indicator in this study. One, writing situation drawing models. Two, representing mathematical, reasonable, and correct. And three, arranging their argument as a mathematical description. And now the classification of student mistake in working on mathematical communication ability according to Newman's theory refers to the following table one. Table one is guidelines for classification of error according to Newman's theory. This is take in Newman error analysis, one reading, two comprehending, three transformation, four process skill, and five encoding. This is error indicator. And the result of data analysis about student mistake in doing mathematical communication ability based on Newman's theory can be seen in table 2. Categories of student error and types. Yes, and this is figure stake in Newman error analysis. Based on the graph above, the most errors students make to solving mathematical communication problem occur in transformation error. Error transformation on student is the first student fails to change to the form of mathematical models as students are rarely given story problems and the teacher always given question in the form of ordinary counts. The second transformation error is students are wrong in using arithmetic operation of formula use. This happened because students have not been able to distinguish the volume formula from the surface area formula. The third transformation error is the student change information but it is incomplete as a unit value. This happens since the teacher does not pay attention to the unit used by student in answering question. It causes student to have the habit of ignoring the unit in solving problem. And conclusion, the types of error experienced by student of class 8 in solving mathematical communication problem from the material of polyhedron are reading errors of 8.3%, understanding error 13.3%, transformation error 30%, processing ability error 18.3%, and notation error 21.7%. The result of this study indicate that student mathematical communication ability were still not optimal because there were still many errors when solving problem. Almost half of all students were not able to absorb information properly. Students did not understand what is problem transformation. Students did not understand the material fully, weakness of the pre-equation concept or not by student, lack of student experience in doing problem, students were not careful and talk in the process of doing test and students have not been able to answer with mathematical symbol or image. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.